Hello. So welcome to second video lecture of Python series. So in this video we will cover semantic variable in Python. So last session we have covered syntax of Python in Python. So in this Jupyter notebook I will cover semantic variable in Python. So in Python variable are pointer, like if I want to assign 4, then I will put yes equal to 4, then it will be yes will be integer. So for assigning any value to variable we will use equal sign. So here we will run our first program. So first we will here our what yes equal to 5. So yes equal to 1 is a integer. So if we want to assign variable yes equal to hello in double bracket, and third is yes equal to list 1 2 3 element of list. So if I will run, this will run. So usually in C programming we use first assign what is type of variable like integer, then variable name, then equal to what is variable value. But in Python we directly assign value, uh, and Python will automatically check what is type of variable value. So here first we assign list of element in yes variable, then we assign yes into by. So y will also print list like this. Then we if you want to print y, so like this. Then if you want to append yes equal in yes element of list 4, if we want to append in list. So here I append 4 in yes, but I print y here. So because of we assign yes in y, so indirectly also appended in y because of pointer, like here yes equal to we assign in string variable something else. So y will not change because string is mutable. So if you want to check type of variable we use type function like this. So integer, string, float. So Python has type, however type link into variable name but object themselves, because Python is object oriented programming language. So all depends on classes, different type of classes like list of element 1 to 3, and then I appended element 100. Then if I will print l, then he also append 100 here. Then if you want to check yes equal to 4.5, and this is complex like this, but we did not use imaginary part, so here 0.0. if you want to check is it integer or not. So it will print false because it is float value. So here if we print here true because point 0 is not valid. So if we want to check yes your type, it will build in function or method. So in this video I cover different type of variable, how we assign value to variable, and some list function, and how to check type of variable. So next video I will cover more thing like basic semantic operators. So for this video that's it. Thanks for watching. I will also provide Jupyter link of this notebook in description. You can also check and practice it. Once again, thanks for watching.